In the tangled web of noise they call to you, the news, the clamor, the endless chatter, voices pulling you, telling you what to think, to sway your heart, cloud your mind. They say, look here, click here, listen here. But do you hear the deeper hum? The whisper, soft as a falling leaf, beckoning you back to yourself. Distractions aplenty, but the true call never shouts. It lingers in the quiet. It waits for you to step away, to listen. Look within. The world can wait. The news will pass. But the truth of you, it is timeless. Here, behind the noise, will you listen?